It was a beautiful day on the island of Sodor. Thomas and Percy were busy shunting trucks at Brendam Docks.
Watch out, Percy! Truck's coming through!
But they were being a little silly.
You two are going to cause an accident.
We're being careful, Cranky.
Yes, very careful. Here comes another truck, Thomas.
But Thomas and Percy weren't really being very careful.
And some for you, Percy!
Thomas!
Oh, what did I tell you?
Look, a metal man. A robot.
A robot?
Silly tank engines. That's not a robot. It's a suit of armour, like a knight wears. I hope you haven't damaged it.
I don't think we have. Ah, it's moving.
It's all right, Percy. It's only a suit of armour. But who does it belong to?
Of the railway. Long ago, before there were any railways, the island of Sodor was ruled by kings. And the greatest king of Sodor was King Godred. Godred was a well-loved king. He protected the island from invaders with the help of his gallant knights in armour. Life was good under Godred's reign. It was a golden age, and King Godred wore a golden crown. But one day, the crown was stolen. The thieves were eventually caught, but the crown had been hidden. It was never seen again. The ruins of King Godred's castle can still be found at Ulfstead on the Earl of Sodor's estate. These days, instead of knights in shining armour, it's railway engines who charge about the island. Or across to the mainland via the rolling bridge at Vickerstown that can be raised up like a castle drawbridge to let ships pass. One day, Thomas had been sent to the washdown with Annie and Clarabelle. But Thomas and his coaches weren't the only ones there.
Why are we all being sent to the washdown today?
Something must be happening. It must be a special day.
I heard that Spencer was coming from the mainland.
I hope we're not all having a wash for Spencer.
I heard that he's bringing a very important passenger.
James is right. We do have a special visitor today. My old friend, the Earl of Sodor, is coming home to the island after travelling the world for many years. Every engine and every station must look its best for his arrival.
Thomas and his friends were very excited. They had never met the Earl before.